Hey, how's it going? Alex here, and today I want to show you this stainless steel water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video. This is Tiger, by the way. This is one of our big boys. A few things that I'm going to let you know about this stainless steel water fountain. So number one, as I was just saying before, it's stainless steel. You also can see, you're going to see it in a few seconds in a closer look, that this one is also motion activated and it's also rechargeable, meaning that it's also cordless. So I think that it's actually really cool. And having stainless steel, it is the best thing that you can have for your cats, for your pets, for your dogs. Instead of the plastic, stainless steel is going to be much better. Also, it is really quiet. Let's check it out on a closer look. So let's see if he allows me to actually film so I can show this to you better. So as I was just telling you before, made of pure stainless steel. I love that it comes with 3 extra filters and 3 extra inside filters for the actual pump. Also, as I was telling you before, this one is motion sensor activated. So whenever it detects movement, which the sensor is right there, it's going to actually start like putting up the water. But if you want, you can put it in continuous mode. You're going to have the USB-C cable right here to plug it to the wall, and we also have another visitor to plug it to the wall to recharge it. But this one will keep working even if you unplug it, which I think it is really cool in case that you need to change it from place to place. So I gotta tell you, 2.6 liter stainless steel with a quiet pump, multi-stage filter, and of course clean water and fresh water for our cats and pets every single time. I like it. I totally recommend it.